Hello, good morning. I'm Elena Ortega. I'm an audio engineer in Sound Nanotecnología Audiovisual, and today we will show you this new camera from Lumens. Barco ClickShare 630 is a well-known wireless conference system. We will use it to start an hybrid meeting from my laptop using the Lumens camera, a microphone, and this meeting room screen. To use it, we have connected the devices to the central unit through USB and HDMI, and we will connect the ClickShare button to my laptop. We have connected the Barco ClickShare button to my laptop. Now, pushing the button, we will see how the LED changes from white to red. This means that now we're sharing the content of my laptop to the meeting room screen, and we have available the Lumens camera. Now we are connected to another USB camera, and now we will change it to the Lumens camera. Here we can see our meeting room. This is a medium meeting room. This table has 4 meters length. This is more or less for 18 people. This is my colleague Joaquín Aguirre that is not working, and we will check the zoom of the camera. We can check now that this is a good camera for a medium meeting room. Also, we can see the smooth motion and the image quality. Finally, as conclusion, this is an ideal camera for small, medium meeting rooms like this one, but it should not be limited to this application. For example, in education, as it has direct and streaming outputs, it can be used both for recording and for streaming the classroom on YouTube. Finally, it's a cheap way to add streaming capabilities to an installation without need of another equipment like an encoder and so on. Thank you very much.